Another question came in our three body purifications. The question is, how do we purify the physical body? Well, physical body has many organs. They are basically uh, exhausted and tired because we never give them any rest. The poor liver, it has to work every day. Kidneys have to work every day. Lungs have to work every day. Gallbladder has to work every day. Colon has to work every day. So in this 5-day purification that we do not give them any solid foods, but we give them cleansing herbal teas, lots of water, vitamin C, good quality, cleanses the colon, different types of organic teas, some for the liver, some for the kidneys, some for the heart, some for the lungs. And when this physical body is purified, you will notice that your body does not smell bad at all, because bad smell comes from bad foods, bad feelings, and bad thoughts. You can improve, you can purify, you will love yourself.